I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan on Freedom Online can be a bit tricky, but it is straightforward once you know the steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Freedom Online website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you allow manage your plan settings. Step 2. Navigate to plan settings. Once logged in, find the section labeled Plan Settings or Manage Plan. This is typically located in the account menu. Step 3. Review available plans. In the Plan Settings section, you should see a list of available plans. Take a moment to review the options and the features to decide which one suits you best. Step 4. Select your new plan. After deciding on a new plan, click on the Change Plan button next to your chosen option. Follow any prompts to confirm your selection. Step 5. Confirm changes. Finally, review your changes and confirm the new plan. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the change is processed. Keep an eye on your inbox. Sometimes the change may not take effect immediately, so be patient and check back after a few hours. If you encounter any issues, customer support is just a click away. Good luck with your new plan.